Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel again. We are out in the ocean. We're going for the petrole sole and rockfish. Hopefully we can get some of those petrole sole. So far we only got two, but it's not on the video. And we want to thank you everyone who has subscribed, and those who haven't, please do so. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button for more videos in the future. And I am excited to actually catch some of the black cards and petrole. I've been excited about that, and the weather has kept us. And finally our friend right here, Dan, he's able to take us out. Oh, look at that seal. Yeah, he's able to take us out on his boat. Thank you much. And thank you Oleg over there and Johnny over there, and he's letting us following them out here. And remember, that's the family killer when you have a chance. And check out his YouTube, the Family Killer Adventure. Alright, see you soon. And set up today is using fishing and Eric and I made this torpedo, 16 ounce. This all set up. We kind of tie the three-way and using the street light and the hook and one. Thank you. And then one there and there. And we're using like 80 pound. No, actually 40 pound on braid and an 80 pound leader, and then we use a 20 pound bottom for the weight. All right, so far we got like 6 black cards and maybe 7, 8 of the chili pepper and 2. Yeah, and then 2 petrole petrole sole. Okay, don't go away. Okay, here we have one on the way out, the other one coming out. And there's the other fan bill. Here's the dentist. Hey, Dr. Hong.
How you doing?
Hey. Hey, Don. Oh, okay, now I got my fish. And here's a...
This way.
Okay. Yeah, this the black one. Okay, that's my second black one. It's a lot of work. So this Dawn has one on the way up. What happened? Oh, you got one on too? Our goal here today was catching some of this black cod and the petrole sole. But so far we only caught 2. And we didn't get it on the video yet. Hopefully we'll get more. Hopefully we'll get more later and able to get it on the video. Okay.
Damn.
Nothing?
Oh, I get.
Oh.
Chili?
Okay.
No.
Nice.
That's all I get.
You got one?
More fish to let go.
Let me see what you got.
Uncle Donna got some nice ones.
Look at what.
Give me that 2.
There you go. Oh, look at.
I think I need these
Uncle
are
Don got this one.
hot shells, right?
Those are the chili pepper thing.
No limit, right?
There is limit.
How many?
10.
Yeah, I know that.
No size limit, you mean?
Get the garbage can. Get the garbage can over here, Donald.
Okay. We got one. And that's a nice one. Yeah, hot work. Okay, let them do that. I'm gonna put mine on.
bunch of bait right here.
Okay, get yours.
Got one.
Grab the fish. Ooh, that's a nice.
What you call this thing?
Either
Chili pepper?
yeah, chili pepper or pistacho, one of those. I don't know which one. Okay, nice.
Right there.
Ooh, you got a black cod. There you go.
Get that one. Bring it up.
Here, net. Here, I can't help you. Get it with the net.
Get the black one. Get the bottom one. The important one. Get the bottom one.
No, pull it toward you. Pull your right hand. There you go. There's a black cod. Pretty nice. You're the right kind. Oh, it's a big sand dab.
I don't mind this one at all. Look at that.
It's a big sand dab. Get some.
There's something big about me.
Oh, look at the other side. Look at the other side.
Hold on.
Oh, see, that's all right.
Jim, we gotta get. Let's do some of your line, Lord. We gotta get this one. I need this black fish.
Where's the net? Someone took the net.
Bill took the net.
Hold on, okay? Is it tight? That might be the right. Check me, they can tie it up.
Okay. Be careful. Go take your hand. Please don't let it be on it. Ooh, net. Give me net.
Oh, net right here.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna lift.
Hold on.
Okay, thank you. There you go. This is what we're here for.
Black cod?
No, it's Soli.
Okay, I think I gotta cut mine, Jim.
Okay.
It's too tangled. I need.
Nice one.
There's a fish about, I don't know, 100 pounds. This just nailed me. Bill, put the boat away before we go. They'll fly away.
What happened to Bill's reel? Bill's line? I mean, reel?
He's not doing nothing.
Huh?
He's taking the clothes off. It's too hot.
Oh.
Here's the fish here.
Here we go. Chili. What is that? Oh.
So,
Okay, go.
You got a soul?
Wow, that was a nice one.
Nice soul. You got two now, huh?
okay.
You got your video on?
Okay, yes.
You got a video on that one?
Yep,
Nice.
okay, thank you.
Give her a title, baby. There you go.
Look at that.
Oh,
Yeah.
dinner.
Petrale so.
I haven't got one yet.
Man, this thing fought all the way up.
It was making noise? It was fighting?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, nice.
Whoa, my God! My God!
You got my fish
Big
too.
old Petrale.
Yeah, that's my fish.
Huh?
That's all my fish.
Oh, it's your fish?
Yeah.
Not mine?
No.
I don't know, man.
Hold on.
A small little green thing, buddy.
Woo, more over this one. Dang. Look at the halibut.
Yeah.
It's a halibut. Oops.
You got a
Peppercini.
nice one.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Chili.
Okay, there you go. You got another one. Uncle Don got another one.
What are these anyway?
I think they say they're the chili.
Where, let's see.
The red one without any of the green.
Chili pepper.
Hey, oh, that's a big one. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's a big chili. I mean, not chili, but another
Black cod.
black cod. And rectangle, of course. Does Oleg know you're here? Yeah?
Like what?
He know you're here?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, did you take my sweet? I want my sweet back. Okay, no. Nice. There you go, another chili. There we go, he caught one. Got another red. Here you go, Uncle Don caught that one. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a black cod.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice black cod. Beckham and Captain. Oh my goodness, oh my God. Oh, man, that's a big one, whatever that is. Big chili. Yeah. Okay, oh, here. Hey, Uncle Don got a lingcod. Here, Uncle, turn the fish. Oh yeah, measure that, please. Yeah, just gotta measure it on there. Let's see what he got. Oh, look at there's a crab. Oh, I thought a crab. It was your bait, and I thought it was a crab. You got it? Oh, more
That must have
chili.
been the ling that I lost.
Must be. More chili. Chili. Yeah.
It's a Petrale.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh,
Whoa.
look at that.
Dang. Bill, reach out. Put him in the net, dude.
You know the net is so short, you know that, right?
I know, but I could do it. I dive in for it.
Yeah, it could have came out,
That net is so short. Oh. Yeah, you got one here. That one has on, and the last one behind got on. And Uncle Don here has one on too. 4 fish at the same time. Woo! Let's see how it goes. Alright, mine's coming up. Let's see, what did oh, he got 2 of those.
I think a long way
Oh, you got a canary.
Oh, finally got a canary. That's a nice one.
That's nice. Yeah. Oh, I got a. Oh man, I got a chili one. There's a canary and I got a cherry. Chili. What you got? Oh, you got the black one.
What's the net?
Here. Bring it here. It's not going nowhere. Because it's all wrapped around the mouth. Wow. Whoa. Let go some line. Jim, let go some line.
Okay. That's great.
Oh, yeah. There you go. All tango and everything. Hey, welcome back, folks. We're out of the water and it's late. We came back really late. We have a good day. And we caught about 6, 7 of the black cod. Maybe 9, 10 of the soli. Petrale sole, and then 10, 11 of the pepper chili pepper. Rockfish pepper chili. But it's been a tough day in the beginning, but at the end we kind of came through. We got some. We didn't get a limit for everything, but it was something. It was better than nothing. And we want to thank you for everyone for joining us today. Also, thank you Ole and Johnny for letting us follow them out there to search
Fishing
for
with you guys.
Yeah, fishing with you. Although we didn't go meet with them. I want to say something else. I'm tongue-tied.
As usual, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to comment. Let us know what you think of the video, as usual. So we appreciate it.
Right. And right here is our friend in the back. Don. Yeah.
Had a great time.
Yeah, that's good.
Well, but thanks to Dan, though.
Yeah, and thank you, Dan, for taking us out on your awesome boat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Okay, here I am cleaning the Petrale sole. Kind of easily scare them. Okay. Cut little openings here. So when you fry them, when I fry them, they'll cook. They get well cooked all the way through. Beautiful meat. So first time catching this ones in the ocean. Ah, look at that. Okay. One more. We've only got a couple, so make use of them. Can't wait to make the dishes on it. We're gonna have one fry today. But I think Addie wanted to make the steam. I don't know about making 2 of them. That might be a little bit much. But I'll clean up both and see what he wants to do. Okay. Oh, carefully. I want to steam one of the Petrale sole, the basils, of a lemongrass. I kind of cut this one too. Okay. The fresh banana leaves from outside. I have a banana tree there. Salt. MSG. Some cilantro. Basil leaves. Hot peppers. And keep a little bit messy. Salt. Rub it in between. And salt again on this side. Put it in again. And then basil leaves and petrol leaves, cilantro, a little bit of salt. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good. Add a little water. There's this bigger one. Turn it low. Gonna turn it low there. Oh, I need some water. Pretty nasty. Okay. Soda feet. It looks to be ready. Here goes nothing. The sun is just really right on my eye. Ooh, that smells good. Alright, oh help me God. Oh help me God. Oh, look how beautiful that is. And a little bit cracked here, but that's okay. Oh, that's all golden. Looking good. Press that down, since that broke. Looks like it's cooked, done. Let it come off the bowl. Oh, a little bit. I see some blood. So I'm going to put it back this way. This looks done now. Let's see, let me see. Check. Okay, comes off the bone. Okay. Let's move this on over. Put this on over. Okay. We'll put that one on here. Let's need a little bit oil. That's not a little bit. So, garlic. Garlic is sizzling. Okay. Yellow onion, red onion. Down, please. Oh, sorry, that's good. I need the other green seasoning, the soy sauce one. I'm gonna try this, like, oh, look at that. Oh, very tender one. Try this. Okay.
What?
Try that and see what you think. Ah, it's too
hot.
Sun. That sun is just.
So hot. I'll burn myself. I can't taste anything.
When you burn yourself, you can't taste. Oh man.
After that. Good. After it calms down.
Yeah. Good,
Yeah, it's
good.
good. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, that's good. I think it has a little bit salt on it. Then I'm gonna put the rest of this in there. Put a little bit of that in. Okay, that's it. You doing what, MSG, please? Okay. And then there's no oh.
Lucky you kind of made it.
I kind of made it, yeah. Okay, that's done. There we are. Here it is. Petrale sauce. Okay, with onions and garlics. That's it. This one's smelling good too. Actually, let's take a look. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yep, come off the bone. Find the thickest part of the body. If it comes off the bone, white, no blood, it should be ready. Yep. Okay, here's the finished product. This one is a steamed fish, steamed petrale sauce. Alright. Give me that plate. Which part do you want? Do you want the tail part or you want the head part?
Any part. Well, maybe not the head, but anywhere meat.
Okay, let's go tail part then. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Tail part. There.
All right. Ooh, I'm gonna finish that thing.
Get some soup
Might
on
not be
here.
enough for me. I gotta maybe come back for more.
There's plenty more.
Look at soup. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's gonna be crazy.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, I am ready.
All right, so here it is.
Let me see.
The end product. Yep.
Yep.
I gotta get some of this too.
Yeah. That's good. You don't have to add the
goodness.
garlic and this stuff. You could just fry and eat it itself.
So I like this stuff. Just
Yeah?
onions.
Yeah, let me try this one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow. Tender. You won't be able to do halibut like that. Halibut would dry it up.
Look, it's so soft, it's crazy.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Take a couple more bites.
Okay, chứ chứ mày tang tang lại ta. I'm gonna eat.
Well, I can't talk with my mouth full. How do I do this though? So, this is really, really good petrale sole.
First time catching them.
Yeah. I don't know. I can't describe it. It's even the fried ones is still really soft. You know, amazingly. The steamed one, of course, is really soft. They're both really good. Well, both ways that we made it like this. Or she made it. I just got home from work and I'm eating. So, hey guys, as usual, really appreciate you guys sticking out with us and watching this video until this catching the cook part. So, thank you very much.
It's the first time. Oh, thank you, Oleg, for let us getting out there.
Oh yeah, Oleg, if you ever watch this, I really appreciate you guys let us follow you out there. So, you know, if it wasn't for you, I don't think we'd be able to catch some of these Petrale sole.
And thank you, Dan, for getting in his boat.
Yeah, Dan, you too. We appreciate you letting us go with you. So, okay, thank you guys. We're gonna sit and enjoy these food. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have, we really thank you very much. So, until next time. All right, have a great day. Bye.